Hey friends, do you use Ingest Hits? If not, then get started now because it is an awesome platform for YouTubers. It will increase viewers and watch time in your YouTube channel and you can monetize faster. Also, you can rank your videos in a specific keywords. Yes, get started now. Here is the link below. Today in this video, I am going to tell you straight about how the points are calculated in keyword. And this video is going to benefit you to increase views by spending less points. So watch this video till the end. It may not be secret for those who have read all the manuals of the website, but it may be secret for you. So let's get started. How points are calculated? Summary. Users looking to promote and rank YouTube videos will need to earn points in order to spend those points to promote their own videos. Our site is a YouTube traffic exchange platform. You watch other videos and in return, other users watch your videos. You also earn points by referring others. Earning points. For every 1 minute you watch a video, 150 points will be credited to your account. For every 1 minute your referral watches a video, 50 points will be credited to your account. A video less than 1 minute long rounds up to 1 minute, so you get full credits regardless of how many seconds you watch. For example, if you watch a video 10 seconds long, you earn points based on 1 minute. A video longer than 1 minute is rounded up or down depending if 30 seconds has passed. For example, if you watch a video 1 minute and 29 seconds, you get credited for 1 minute. But if the video is 1 minute and 30 seconds long, you credited for 2 minutes. By the way, included with each video you will receive the extra benefits of receiving subscribers, comments and likes for no additional cost in points. It's highly recommended you make referrals with your affiliate link to earn a lot of more points. Spending points. For every 1 minute your video is watched, 300 points will be debited from your account. If your video is less than 1 minute long, you will be debited a full minute. If your video is longer than 1 minute, then it is rounded up or down depending if 30 seconds has passed. For example, if a user watches your video 1 minute and 29 seconds, you will be debited for 1 minute. But if your video is 1 minute and 30 seconds long, you get debited for 2 minutes. So while making campaign, make your watch time ranging from 1 minute 25 seconds to 1 minute 29 seconds long because it will debit only 300 points from your account. Whereas when you give your watch time greater than 1 minute 30 seconds, it will be debited 600 points from your account, which will decrease your points faster, but your watch time in your YouTube analytics will be less. So this is the trick that will spend less points, get views as well as increase your YouTube watch time faster, and you will get monetized faster. Thank you for taking this video till the end. Hope you find this helpful. If you want to continue, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and bell notification on so you don't miss coming videos. That's all we have today. My name is Shri and you are watching YouTube.